Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Junior and welcome to J Tactics. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to J Tactics, and today I'm actually going to be opening a cleaning kit that I purchased off of eBay, and I'm going to be going through all this stuff, and let's get started. Alright, so let's go through it. So we have our extensions. We have two. Pretty long. That's good. We have our smaller ones for the pistols, I believe. Or are these for these? I believe so. They have to. Yep. Alright, so I'm guessing I have to put this on first, and then later on put the smaller ones. Nice. There you go. That's how it goes. So those smaller ones, you have to use the converter here. Okay. Alright, so you got two of those. You have a 30. They are engraved. I'm not sure if you guys can actually see it. 30. What else? We have a 22. And I'm guessing these are the shotties. So 12 gauge, 20, 410, 357, 40, 45. I'm sorry, didn't say anything. Probably 22. Most likely. Don't see caliber 9 in this kit. Or is there underneath? Nope. So you got your two slotted tips right here. We got our two handles. I would say it's really cheap, and the price that I paid for it was 20 bucks. I'm not sure if you guys guessed it right. For those of you who said maybe 20, on the dot. I mean, this is plastic. I thought it was metal completely, and the briefcase is not bad. It's only the quality of the things, but like they say, what you pay is what you get. So, but these are really good. They're really solid. They're not like aluminum that you would actually bend and, like, I don't know, like by accident and just, you know, damage them. I'll leave the link on the description so you guys can take a look at it. For those of you that are interested, I wouldn't recommend it, but like I said, it was a really good price. I know there's more out there, but 20 bucks, just wanted to try it out. If you guys know of any other kit, just put it down on the comments. I'll take a look at it, and if one of those caught my eyes, I'll take a look and maybe I'll make another review on it. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed my review. I would say stay away from this kit, but if you're on a budget knock yourself out. It's a decent kit, and for the price, you can't complain. So I'll leave it down on the description, and please go check out my Instagram page. That is it for today, guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Check my other video too. I have another one on my Glock 19. Peace.